Hello there, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to add dynamic icons in Power BI. So here as you can see I'm having a simple table wherein I'm having the subcategories followed by the sales, sum of their sales. And here I've added a new column which consists of the icons based on the values of these subcategories. So here in the slicer, what I will do is I will select any of the subcategory. So once I'm doing the selection, you can see here this icon along with the value are changed. So in this video, we will see how we can add these columns for the icons and how we can use these icons in our calculations. So in order to understand the concept of icon, we will have to understand the concept of UNICHAR, which is used in DAX. So let me take you to a website. This website is vertex42.com. And here you have the list of all the symbols and their UNICHAR code. So you can see the symbol and followed by below you will see the UNICHAR code. So like this only you have lots of symbols and their respective UNICHAR codes. All these UNICHAR codes you can use in the dashboard as well. So for our dashboard, what we will be using is, for our dashboard we will be using this upward arrow and this downward arrow. And for medium value we will use this arrow. So let's move on to a new sheet wherein we will create this new table. Here I will add a simple table over here. Let's add the subcategory followed by the sales value. Let me increase the size a bit. Now here what I want is I want to add another column, and that column will be a conditional column. For example, if my sales value is greater than 2 lakh, I will give it an upward arrow. If it will be between 1 lakh and 2 lakh, I will give it a horizontal arrow. And if it is less than 1 lakh, what I will do is I will add the downward arrow. So for that, we will create a new measure. I will click on this new measure. I will name this measure as icons. And here I will add the variable. So the first variable I will create is for the up arrow. I will name it up underscore. And I will add the DAX, which is UNICHAR. So inside this UNICHAR, you have to add the code which you will be seeing on the website. So here we have this upward arrow. I will select this and copy this code. And then I will paste it over here, close the bracket. Same way, I will make a variable for the horizontal arrow. I will name it limit underscore is equal to UNICHAR. Again, the code. I will paste the code over here. Now the next variable will be for the downward arrow. I will name it as down underscore equals UNICHAR. And I will use this code over here. I will paste it over here, close the bracket, and then I will return the expression which we want of the condition. So here I will give it a switch condition. Now, if the total sales is greater than 2 lakh, I want up underscore. If the total sales is greater than 1 lakh and total sales is less than 2 lakh, then I want mid underscore. If the total sales is less than 1 lakh, then I want down underscore. I will close the bracket, hit enter. Let's rename this measure name. I will name it as icon only. Now I will simply add this new measure which we have created in this existing table. I will drag and drop it over here. So you can see that the column has been added. Let me center align it so we can see it properly. I will go to specific column. I will select the column icon and then I will center align it. So you can see based on the conditions which we have created, we are getting all these values over here. If our value is in between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, we are getting this horizontal line, horizontal arrow we say. And if it is less than 1 lakh, we are getting the downward arrow. And if it is more than 2 lakhs, then we are getting an upward arrow. Now what I will do is I will add a card over here. In this card, I will call the total sales value. Display units none. And I will also add another card for the icon which we have created. So I will add it just beside the value over here. I will disable the category label. Now let's add a slicer wherein I will simply add the subcategories. So here, if I'm selecting any of the subcategory, you will see the value will change, but the symbol will also change. So based on our condition, if the value is greater than 2 lakh, it is giving us upward arrow. If it is less than 1 lakh, it is giving downward arrow. And if it is between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, it is giving an horizontal arrow. So it is working properly. So in this way, what you can do, you can use as many UNICHAR codes or UNICHAR icons which you want, and you can explore more icons as well. And you can try using those in your tables or any other visual which you want. In our upcoming video, what we will do is we will add a condition for the colors over here. So we will add color to the icons as well. If it is less than a particular value, we can give it a red color, or we can also give it a green color if it is more than a particular value. So we will do that in our upcoming video. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.